down the Moto River, get some breakfast. Where are we? Riverjack Cafe. Alright, let's go try it.
Morning, Dallas. How are you, babe?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, honey, dear.
Not bad.
What's new?
Yeah, Tanya works with Willow.
Oh, okay.
She's got her into
Really
the
stays
cooking
at my
game.
house. Yeah, she comes to my house. She
Stays at her place and cooks. And
Nice.
And what about yourself? What drink? Going just orange juice?
just a brekkie juice, please.
Brekkie juice?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, that one.
Thank you. Hi, you guys.
Hey, mate, how are you?
Good, thanks, love.
Local cafe. That's Eggs Benny and SA.
100%, right on the Murray too. Thanks. Yeah, 100%.
Comes every time. I love magpies.
He's got little ones to feed.
Yeah. Oh, he's picking it up now to take
Yeah,
it.
100%.
Yeah, you watch him.
Fuck, it looks good, man.
Yeah, not bad, man. But shit, you go somewhere else, and you go to have Eggs Benny, and you're like, "Ugh, this isn't like Riverjack's."
Yeah.
Well, that was one hell of a nice breakfast. So everyone around. Barry, down on the Moto River. Come to the Riverjack Cafe. Absolutely beautiful. Staff are lovely too. Ever come to Berry? Don't go to Better Electrical. They fucking don't look after you. Who seriously buys a fucking mouse for the $119? This dickhead. See, people like, see, I've got a camera. Everyone just fucking looks at you like you're an idiot. Look at this dickhead. He's walking around just holding onto a fucking camera in his face. This is a non-swearing channel. Fuck. Come for a walk. Come for a walk down on the good old Murray River. What a spot. Gonna go for a local ride today. Dallas show us a few of the local spots down here in Berry, South Australia. Berry seems like a real nice place. Hey guys, having breakfast this morning with one of Dallas's mates. He's started a Facebook page. I do apologise, I can't remember how long ago. Called Brotherhood for Men's Mental Health. Jump on the Facebook page and give it a like, give it a follow. It's got some really good information there about men's mental health and ways to get around it, and probably I'd need to say there's a support group within there. You could probably throw a few messages out. Yeah, jump on Brotherhood. I'll put the link in the description below to the Facebook page. Do me a favour, go check it out. I know what mental health is, and I know how important it is, and especially with what happened last week about going to Tassie. I'm still coming to terms with it and still pushing forward and moving on, making the best out of what I can, and it's going to take a while, but I'll work my way through it and get better, and hopefully one day get on that boat and go across. That's the goal. Might not happen soon, might not happen for a while, but one day I will get on that boat and I will go across on the bike, even if it's on my own. So we're at the Lake Bonney Hotel ruins. It's pretty small hotel. Must be just the fireplace that's left. How good was that lake on the way in here? Oh, you guys are dirty. Amateur. There we go. So this shits me.
Yeah.
People write their name. Yep. Yeah, it could be worse, yeah, it could be spray paint. Yeah, and they wonder why we get friggin' blocked out from all these places. Like they lock them off so we can't go back. Like that. Just don't do it, mate. Do it so leave it alone so other people can enjoy it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wonder how many fires this thing's seen. I reckon quite a few. Cool as. See? Buy a motorbike. Full drive. You can see this country. That's good, they're protecting it a bit. Pretty cool. Really cool. Oh, what's that down there, Dar?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah? So that must be the old jail. So when you're a bad boy and you drink too much, they send you down here. Yeah. Fraser and Co. Lake. London. No, Makers. Makers. London. Not much of it left. Yeah, it's gotta be. Holy shit.
Deep down there.
Yeah.
Might have been an old pump house.
Yeah, an old cellar.
Yeah, pump house or some shit.
That is pretty deep.
Yeah.
Hey bro, oh, you want to get me out? I'm stuck in jail. I reckon an old pump house with the pumping water. Maybe pumping water up to the hotel. Oh, yeah. So what's the Lake Bonney? Huh? Lake Bonney. Like the old... This is where... You know the castle? The movie The Castle? Oh, we go to Lake Bonney.
No, that's Bonnie Doon.
Bonnie Doon.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh yeah. I was thinking it's a long way to travel. Alright, let's get back on the bike and go and see some more. This is the Overlander Corner Hotel. Not open today, only open bakery for some lunch. No, well that's it. Another day done. We just got back to Big Dale's place. Bikes are away. We're heading to Adelaide tomorrow, eh? Yeah. Yeah, we're heading to Adelaide tomorrow. Go up into the Adelaide Hills and that. So, thanks for watching. Don't just remember, keep them throttles twisted, keep the rubber side down. I'll see you on the next one.